This is a simulation placing two hex implants, 4.3 by 11.5, in two different osteotomies. The purpose of this video is to show two different ways to install the same size implant. On the right, there's an osteotomy using a 4.3 regular drill, and on the left, drill with the 4.3 plus. Set up the motor for 40 RPM and 40 newtons. First, place the 4.3 by 11.5 implant in the wider osteotomy, where the 4.3 plus is. Then wait to hear the beep that confirms the implant is all the way in. And for the second osteotomy, use 40 newtons and 40 RPM. After hearing the beep, take this out and notice that in one osteotomy, the implant is all the way in. In the other osteotomy, the implant still has maybe 4 or 5 millimeters left to go. To double-check the final torque, first connect the torque range and check the final torque. After utilizing 45 newtons, notice the implant is going down. Be careful not to use too much torque, because that could break the driver, the buckle plate, and the implant. After changing the direction of the arrow, go back a little bit. Change the direction of the arrow once more, and notice now how the torque went down. This process creates an easier way to install the implant with lower torque by widening the osteotomy. In a live patient procedure, you would typically start with the smaller osteotomy with a 4.3 drill. If the implant is not flat to the bone, you would then consider your two options: creating a wider osteotomy with a 4.3 plus drill, or using the torque wrench procedure by changing the direction of the arrow to loosen and tighten the implant until fully seated. Go down until the implant is flat to the bone. It's recommended to drill 11.5 and leave the implant at the crest.